Hey there, this is Neil Napier along with Taki, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your clients this much money while making yourself this much money, all with Local AI Fleet. Now, Local AI Fleet is going to help you find prospects if that's what you want, but more so to turn them into clients and deliver them a service that's going to let them operate 24/7. So the very first thing you will end up doing is going into clients and adding a new client. It's very easy to do. You put in the business name, the business type that you're going to go after, and it could be others that are not covered here as well. You put in the contact email, phone number, and business address, and you add a client. Now, just to show you an example of what I've done before, this is a local restaurant here, Itsuyaki, and I've added this client in here. When you do that, the very next thing you should do is you should add an AI employee to this client. Now, this AI employee is going to operate at all hours, and they're going to handle a lot of queries that are coming in. They're going to engage prospects and get them ready to be closed as well, and even close them if you ask them to do so. So let's make this one Natasha, and this could be this one. The business in this case is Itsuyaki, one of the businesses on our list, and Natasha's personality is friendly and casual. After all, that's what you need for a restaurant business. So let's go ahead and create an employee. And once you do that, this is Natasha. You can also train this employee. So you can add details about this client. You can add all their contact numbers, emails, website, address, everything right in here. The special deals going. You can also add FAQs. So for example, do a kids meal cost the same, or is there some discount? Is it a kids play area, or are you open on the weekend for big party groups? All those things. If you can add those details in, then this agent will engage those prospects and close them on your behalf as well. Now, how do people actually start talking to these AI employees? It's quite easy to do. Let's go back to the clients and I'll show you. You can build out QR campaigns for these clients. And remember, these QR campaigns can be printed on flyers, on leaflets, and put all across your city, or they could simply be embedded online onto their website. So instead of sending an email or a text message and waiting for that business to respond the next day, you can create a new campaign where you can basically pick one of the templates that's available. So let me show you. We've got 20 templates that are going to be available over here. You can pick those templates. So for example, a gym, you can change the logo, you can change whatever details as you want. So let's call this one weight loss demo. And you can go ahead and use this QR code or simply use this URL as well. Once you're happy with it, you can also customize the landing page. So you're able to change these things if you want to, and you're able to make sure that when someone fills in their details, so when they scan the QR code, they can come and fill in the details, and that way they're able to engage with those AI employees as well. And each of these QR codes that you build, we show you how many scans you're getting, how many leads you're getting, what's the conversion like. Now, of course, if you didn't have any clients of your own, if you wanted to get new clients, you can go into our lead finder. You can simply explain what you're looking for, such as, I'm looking for restaurants in London. And you're able to find leads with AI. So in real time, it goes out there, finds leads, it finds the email addresses, phone number, whatever information is available, and it allows you to then turn those leads into customers. So when you find something like this, for example, let's say this one, you've got the phone number here, if the email's available, you get those as well, but you can turn them into contacted, and they basically become part of your roster. That's how you use Local AI Fleet, and that is exactly how you're able to save your clients a lot of money, because remember, a lot of them are losing money because they're not available, not open after hours, and this is how you make money, by selling these as a service to your clients.